started. So first of all, we need the domain and the hosting or the AWS Lightsail. I have already bought the domain from Google Domains, and I have already purchased the Lightsail from AWS. So going step by step, you need to just open up your Lightsail. In the Lightsail, you just need to go on a networking. Okay, you will find the networking over here, or you can go from here as well. Here I have already assigned my static IP as public IP, because every time when you just reboot your server, your IP will be changed. And I want the fixed IP or a static IP that I can use for my domain, so that every time I don't need to make any changes whenever I reboot the system. So I have attached my static IP as the public IP, so that the static IP doesn't change whenever I start or stop my instance. So that for that, I will just paste one blog link in my description. And if you have any query, you can drop me a comment over there. Now, we just need to copy this particular IP. And in my case, I just bought the domain from Google. So you just need to go on a DNS. In my case, when I just click on domain and click on DNS, I will find the DNS management zone. The DNS management zone will be available for each and every domain server you have from wherever you just bought the domain, whether it will be GoDaddy, SiteGround, or Google, whatever. Maybe the name can be the different, managed DNS or DNS kind of stuff. Interface can be different, but the steps we are following, you just need to follow the same step to point the domain. In my case, here the blossom.net is already defined, so I just need to select the A. Here I will define the minimum time, and then I will paste my IP address. I will create one more record, www. Same way, type A, 10 minutes, and IP address. Once it's done, I need to just take it out. Generally, pointing the domain will take around 1 minute to 24 hours. So you need to have some patience to that be done, but it will be done for sure. So right now, my website was working on this particular IP address that I have just shown you earlier. And if we just check out with the domain as well, we may find it if it is pointed, because from my experience, Google domain is very faster. So if I just check out with the domain, it is working as well. So this is a simple step you need to follow. Point your domain to your Lightsail. Just I hope you like it. Please share your thoughts and in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video and like it. Thank you for your time and have a great day.